Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. How could one kiss carry so many lies? Me gave you all my heart, while your heart belonged to someone else. This is our story. Me remember the first time you held me close. You whispered forever, that's what hurt the most. Your smile was sweet like the morning sun. Me never knew another love had already begun. Every little promise sounded so sincere. Me trusted every word that reached me here. Me built my dreams around your name, never knowing you were playing a dangerous game. Me introduced you to my family and friends, believing our love would never end. While me was planning our future together, you were hiding another forever. The truth came crashing like a hurricane, leaving nothing but heartbreak and pain. One kiss can build a dream so high, one lie can make that whole dream die. You kissed me while loving someone else, left me out crying all by itself. Every embrace was a beautiful disguise, now me drowning in your lies. You kissed me while loving someone else, while me gave you all of myself. Oh girl, why couldn't you just set me free, instead of pretending to love me? Oh, Me still remember those island nights, holding your hand beneath the lights. The ocean witnessed every vow, but those promises mean nothing now. Me asked if there was someone new. You looked me straight in the eyes and said no. Now me know every word was fake, every promise was another heartbreak. The songs we danced to still remain, but now they only bring me pain. The beach where we once laughed together feels empty now forever. You kissed me while loving someone else, while me believed in every spell. Every smile hid another face, now me can't erase this pain. You kissed me while loving someone else, while me gave you all me wealth. Not money, but me heart, the greatest gift me had. Oh Jah, teach me how to love again, teach me how to trust again. Because betrayal leaves a wound that only time and you can heal. One day me know the pain will fade, and better memories will be made. Someone honest will find me out and give the love you tore apart. To everyone listening tonight, don't ignore what doesn't feel right. True love never needs to pretend, faithful hearts don't secretly bend. We forgive you, not because you deserved it, but because me deserve peace. You kissed me while loving someone else, but you could never steal my soul. You broke my heart, but not my own. Oh, one day Jah will send someone true, someone whose love is real. And when that day finally comes, this broken heart will learn to smile again. Yeah, man. Some kisses heal, some kisses hurt, but the right love will never make you question your worth. God bless every broken heart. You kissed me while loving someone else, but me'll rise again. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the ocean once carried our love. Now it carries only tears. Every wave reminds me how your lies washed everything away. Our love drowned in your lies. Remember when you promised forever, said nothing could pull us apart ever. You held me close beneath the stars while hiding secrets inside your heart. Me gave you every piece of me, believing our love would always be like the calm before a storm. Everything felt safe and warm. The island breeze whispered your name. Me never thought you'd play this game. Every smile that touched your face was another lie me couldn't trace. The rain began to softly fall. Me never saw the warning at all. The waves kept rising night by night till your truth came into the light. Our love drowned in your lies, like the ocean swallowing the sky. Every promise disappeared, leaving only lonely tears. Our love drowned in your lies. Now me finally realize you never loved me like you said, only filled my heart with regret. Oh girl, why did you let us fall when we could have had it all? That same old beach where your hand was once in reach. Now the shoreline feels so cold without the love me used to hold. Me hear our favorite reggae tune playing softly beneath the moon. Instead of joy it brings me pain, like thunder calling out your name. You look me straight into me eyes while hiding behind beautiful lies. Me trusted every word you spoke, never knowing my heart would break. Our love drowned in your lies. Every dream slowly died. The waves erased our names in sand, like we were never hand in hand. Oh, our love drowned in your lies. Though me gave my whole life, now the sea keeps telling me some hearts were never meant to be. Oh Jah, help me let this sorrow go. Heal the wounds nobody knows. Teach me that true love will never need deception. Today me choose to walk away, leaving yesterday where it should stay. The tide may wash away my pain, and sunshine will return again. Someone honest will find my heart and give me a brand new start. No more tears, no more disguise, no more drowning in your lies. To every soul who's hurting too, remember Jah is carrying you. Broken hearts can heal again. After every storm comes peace. Our love drowned in your lies, but my spirit still survives. You broke my heart, but not my faith. One day we'll smile again. We'll smile again. One day we'll love again, because Jah always makes a way. Yeah, man. The rain will stop, the ocean will come, the sun will rise again. this broken heart will find peace. No more lies, only truth. Our love drowned in your lies, but we'll never drown again. Our love drowned in your lies. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the waves still remember, the sand still knows our names, but she's gone. She left my heart on the shore. The sun was setting over the sea when you whispered forever to me. The ocean breeze carried your smile, and we believed every word all the while. Hand in hand we walked the sand, dreaming of a life Jah had planned. Every wave sang our sweet song. We never thought you'd leave before long. We built a future around your love, praying to Jah above. But while my heart stayed true, your love was already breaking through. The tide rolled in, the sky turned gray. We never imagined you'd walk away. She left my heart on the shore, where we don't walk anymore. The waves keep calling your name, but nothing feels the same. She left my heart on the shore, like a shell washed to the floor. Mysterious sweet goodbye underneath the island sky. Oh girl, why did our love have to end? We thought forever would never bend. No, me sit where we used to be, watching the sunset kiss the sea. Every footprint has disappeared, but the memories are still here. The reggae music softly plays, taking me back to better days. Every melody reminds me still of the promises you couldn't fulfill. The moonlight shines across the tide, but you're no longer by my side. Me call a name into the wind, only silence answers again. She left my heart on the shore, now me don't smile like before. The waves keep washing over me, trying to set my spirit free. She left my heart on the shore, but me still love you even more. Though you walked away that day, me pray I still follow your way. Oh Jah, heal this broken soul tonight, turn these tears into new life. Teach me that every ending can become another beginning. One day the sunrise will return, a new love's fire will gently burn. The scars you left will slowly fade, like footprints washed by ocean waves. Me forget the pain you gave, so me heart no longer stays a slave. This sea has taught me one great truth: real love is built on honesty and proof. To every heart that's feeling alone, Jah will always lead you home. The shore may hold yesterday, but tomorrow brings another way. She left my heart on the shore, but it won't stay broken anymore. Jah will heal what love has torn and bring a brighter dawn. She left my heart on the shore, as me finally find mine. Yeah, man, the waves never stop, the sun always rises, and broken hearts can learn to beat again. Me left my tears on the shore, but me future belongs to Jah. She left my heart on the shore. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the sun still shines over the island, but it no longer shines for me. The smile that once lit up my world now belongs to somebody else. Another man stole my sunshine. Yeah. Me remember the morning we first met, a beautiful day me'll never forget. Your laughter warmed my lonely soul. You made this broken man feel whole. We watched the sunrise by the sea, and you whispered you'll always have me. We believed every word was true, never imagined I'd lose you. Every dream was built around your love. Me thank Jah every day above. But while me heart stayed faithful and true, someone else was getting close to you. The clouds rolled in without a sound. Before me knew, my world came crashing down. Another man stole my sunshine, took away the love that once was mine. Now every morning feels so cold without your hand for me to hold. Another man stole my sunshine, left nothing but these tears of mine. The light that brightened all my days slowly faded far away. Oh girl, me never thought goodbye would hurt this way. Oh, me still pass by our favorite place, still picture your beautiful face. The ocean waves still sing our song, but somehow everything feels wrong. The reggae music softly plays, taking me back to happier days. Every melody cuts so deep, leaving wounds that never sleep. Me saw you smiling from afar, standing beside another heart. The smile that once belonged to me now shines for someone else to see. Another man stole my sunshine, though me gave you this heart of mine. Every promise disappeared, leaving only lonely tears. Oh, another man stole my sunshine, but me refused to lose my life. Though my heart is torn apart, Jah still watches over my heart. Oh Jah, when someone leaves, teach me not to lose myself. Replace this pain with peace, replace these tears with hope. Today me choose a different road, I'm letting go this heavy load. The sunrise still belongs to Jah, no broken heart can change that. One day love will find me again, without deception, without pain. Someone whose heart is honest and true will love me the way me love you. Until that day we'll stand up strong, keeping faith and moving on. Because no matter who walks away, just love remains every day. Another man stole my sunshine, but he could never steal my soul. We'll find the light once sunset may fade, the night may come, but morning always returns. The sunshine wasn't lost forever. Jah was simply preparing a brighter tomorrow. Another man stole my sunshine, but Jah still lights my way. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. The moon remembers, the waves remember, and the heart still remembers. The night you made forever sound so easy, then walked away. The promise you broke under the moon. The moon was shining over the sea when you wrapped your loving arms around me. You looked into my eyes so bright and promised we'd never say goodbye. The palm trees danced in the evening breeze while our hearts were filled with peace. Every word sounded pure and true. We never doubted loving you. We made our dreams beneath the stars, thinking nothing could tear us apart. Me gave you every beat of me heart, never knowing we'd fall apart. The night you broke under the moon, the promise felt real, but the morning revealed a love that couldn't heal. The promise you broke under the moon still echoes like a lonely tune. You said forever, you said we'd stay, but forever slowly slipped away. The promise you broke under the moon came far too early, much too soon. Now every star reminds me still of the dream we couldn't fulfill. Oh girl, why did forever last only one night? Me still return to that same old place, searching for one more glimpse of your face. The ocean whispers through the tide, asking why you change your mind. Every reggae song we used to know now fills my heart with sorrow. The laughter we once used to share has disappeared into the air. Me ask Jah where we went wrong, why love didn't stay strong. Maybe some stories are meant to end, even when two hearts pretend. The promise you broke under the moon turned my The ocean knows how much me loved you. Every wave carries another memory. Every breeze whispers your name. We loved you until the last goodbye. Remember the day we first met, a beautiful moment me can't forget. Your smile was brighter than the morning sun. Me truly believe you were the one. We walked together along the shore, dreaming of forever and so much more. The ocean sang our favorite song. Me thought our love would stay so strong. Me gave you me heart without a fear, believing you'd always be here. But somewhere along the winding road, your love became a heavy load. The sunset faded, the stars appeared, but nothing could prepare me for losing you. I love you until the last goodbye, until the tears fell from my eyes. Even when you walked away, we still prayed for you each day. I love you until the last goodbye. Though you left without telling me why, the waves still carry memories of what we used to be. Oh girl, me never stop loving you until the last goodbye. Oh, me still visit the place we used to meet, where the ocean and our footprints greet. The reggae song still softly play, but you've already gone away. Your picture still lives in my mind, though me know me must leave it behind. Every promise we made that night disappeared before the morning light. Me ask Jah to ease this pain, to help me smile once again, because loving someone who lets you go is the hardest thing we'll ever know. I love you until the last goodbye, until the final tear ran dry. Every heartbeat called your name, but nothing ever stayed the same. I love you until the last goodbye. Though our dreams slowly said goodbye, the ocean heard every prayer, even when you weren't there. Oh Jah, thank you for every beautiful memory. Even though it ended, love taught me how deeply heart can feel. Now teach me how to heal. Today me stand beneath the sun, knowing my healing has begun. The sea reminds me every day that pain like waves will wash away. One day another love will come, built on truth instead of doubt. A faithful heart, honest and kind, the kind we've always hoped to find. Until that day we'll keep my faith, walking forward by your grace. The love me gave was pure and true, I will never regret loving you. I love you until the last goodbye, but me refuse to spend my life asking why. The tears are falling, the storm has passed, only the memories remain at last. I love you until the last goodbye. Though me lift my eyes toward the sky, Jah's better days ahead for me, like the sunrise over the sea. Oh girl, me release you with peace in my heart. Yeah, man. Some people are only part of the journey, not the destination. The waves keep rolling, the sun keeps rising, life keeps moving, and so will me. I love you, until the last goodbye. Now Jah leads me to a bright